Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sabina Aydınova. Today I will teach you this task. Determine whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular or not perpendicular or parallel. Let's look at first this given line. In order to find that given lines are parallel or perpendicular, firstly we have to find their direction vectors. The direction vector of the second straight line is obvious. It is -2, 4 and -2, but the direction vector of the first straight line isn't obvious and we have to find it. Let's find the direction vector of first straight line. In order to find it, we make the determinant, and in the first row of this determinant I write the vectors I, j and k, and in the second row I write the coordinates of the first equation 1, 2 and 3. I write the normal vector of the first line, first plane, and in the third row I write the normal vector of the second plane, 1, 1 and 1. Then I vector times 2, 3, 1, 1 plus j vector times 3, 1, 1, 1 plus k vector times 1, 2, 1 and 1. This equal to I vector times 2 minus 3 plus j vector times 3 minus 1 plus k vector times 1 minus 2 is equal to negative I vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. Since we find it, it's obvious and it's clear that the direction vector of the first line is -1, 2 and -1. How did I know? It is obvious from its coefficients, okay? Coefficients of I, j and k respectively are -1, 2 and -1. And what we have to do right now, we have to find these given straight lines are parallel or perpendicular. So we know the direction vectors of these two straight lines. And what about their perpendicularity and parallelity? Okay, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then their direction vectors are also perpendicular. It means that the scalar product of direction vectors is equal to 0. Let's find that these straight lines direction vectors multiply. It will be -1 times -2 plus 2 times 4 plus -1 times -2. It will be 2 plus 8 plus 2. It is 12 and is not equal to 0. Since the product of this direction vectors isn't equal to 0, then these two given lines are not perpendicular at all. But what about their parallelity? Then, if two lines are parallel, then their direction vectors are proportional. What does it mean, proportional? Proportional means the ratio of this coordinates of direction vectors is equal to each other. I mean, px over qx is equal to py over qy and is equal to pz over qz. Yes, did you understand? And px is -1 and px I wrote is, for example, this is qx and this is q vector, I mean p2 vector, over -2, it is equal to 2 over 4 is equal to -1 over -2, and all of these ratios is equal to 1/2. Yes, did you see? And this 1/2 is some number, some parameter k or something m, for example, any letter. Yes, I hope that you understand. Then from here we see that these given lines are parallel because their direction vectors are proportional to each other. I thought, sorry, I explained, and I hope that you understood. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, and leave a comment to support me. Thanks for watching this video until the end.